made that in 40 seconds in Sora 2. No advanced techniques, just a simple prompt. And Sora 2 doesn't just generate video, it syncs dialogue, adds sound effects, adds music to it, and you can even replace yourself with like the cameo feature. I don't know what to think of this, but I'm going to show you exactly how it works and also how it doesn't work. As of speaking, Sora is still invite only. I'll show you how to get around that, and even if you're not based in the US. So let's jump into it. To get access to Sora, you need to go to this URL, and this URL will also be in the description. Now, once you go to this URL, you won't be seeing what I'm seeing. You first have to log in. You should actually be seeing this, and once you press login, you log in using your ChatGPT account. Now, once you're logged in using your ChatGPT and you're not in the US, you will see this. That is not available in and then your country. Now, there's a really easy workaround, and that is using a VPN. No sponsor, but I linked the one that I use in the description. You just need to make sure that your location is set in the US. I turn my VPN on, so I can just now refresh the page. Now, aside of the location, once you're logged in, you also need a invite code. Basically, every new account gets 4 invite codes. You just have to comment if you want it, and I'll pick someone from the comments. And after you commented, you can also go to this Reddit thread. I will put a link down below. This is also where I got mine. You just see people posting these codes. You just have to sort on new just to make sure that you see the newest. You just have to refresh a bit, sending my girlfriend for a code. Anyway, that's how you get access. Now let's dive into some prompting secrets. And now you see the homepage, which is full of like, what is this? What are we looking at? To be honest, like, I have to admit, some stuff is quite funny. Like, so with this SpongeBob, like, yeah, it makes me laugh. Anyway, what I wanted to experiment with is use it for animation, use it for B-roll, so you can really use it as an editor. Like, imagine you're stuck on a project, you need a specific B-roll, you need a specific video clip, you can just generate it and completely for free. Well, that's what we're gonna do. Basically, we can just describe a video. You also see these cameos. I'm not gonna use that feature now. You can also add yours, by the way, but that only works on your phone. However, you can also use these pre-made ones. I'm not going to use that now. I'm just going to describe my video. And for example, I want a video clip of like a trophy on like a pillar in like a cool cinematic dark room. So that's what I'm going to do. And what I always like to do is first describe what I want and then like the camera movement, right? So for example, what I now typed is a glowing golden trophy standing on a tall marble pillar. I want a marble pillar in a dark cinematic room. Dramatic spotlight shining from above, soft haze in the air, ultra-realistic textures. The camera orbits smoothly 360 degrees around the trophy. Slow cinematic dolly movement, film grain, anamorphic lens flares, and shadow depth of field. Now I'm going to click on my settings and I'm going to change the orientation to landscape and I'm going to press create video. Now I need to go to my profile. So see this video. This one is really funny of Sam Alban falling into the canals. However, I'm going to go to my drafts now. And here you can also see the videos that I already generated. I also tried around with some animations. That doesn't really work that well yet. I mean, it's not bad per se. There's some movement here. Yeah, it's not perfect. Or this one where I try to have like a 3D card movement of this credit card. And yeah, just didn't work. Or this one where I have like a graph that I wanted to go up and the number to go up, and that didn't work either. And Sora is really good at specific things, but I'm really curious how this will develop. There we go. Our video is done and look how cool this looks. Like, this is amazing, right? Like, imagine having to make this in 3D, even some cool music. Now, as you might have noticed, there are also downsides to Sora. For starters, there's a watermark over your videos that is popping up. The quality of the video isn't great, so you need to upskill it with AI. Now it's still for free, but I'm assuming there will be a limit eventually. And it's really good at specific things with audio and lip sync. With animation, it's just not that great. But why you should try these things out is to stay ahead of the game. Who knows, tomorrow there's an update in Sora and it's way better, and then you're already in the platform, you can create these videos, and it's an easy way to stand out and stay ahead of the curve. Now there's one more way to also get access, and that is by joining the Fullstack Editor Club. Link of that is also in the description. You will get an invite code. Then of course, like always, thanks for all the support. We're nearing the 100k subs. Let's go. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.